Hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lillian. I want to use this medium to say thank you for your support. God bless you. I love you all. So today I want us to learn something new. I know it's gonna benefit almost everybody. So you can share the information to your friends, your family, your neighbors, because this thing is something we don't really know about. Okay, today what we are going to work on is the coconut water. Yeah, this coconut you're seeing, what I need there is just the water. Alright, and remember, no part of this coconut is exceptional. They're all medicinal, even the shell. Every damn thing is medicinal. So but what we are talking about today is just the coconut water, because we're talking about the newborn baby. Okay, this is something that had been proven beyond doubt that it works like magic. So if you want to protect your child, if you want to give your child the best protection, and then if you want to have a genius in your house, I think this is for you. This video is for you. You need to be there. Follow me to the end of this video, because you're gonna get all the procedures you're gonna use, and then you can just click on the subscribe button or like it. Then when it start working, you can come back, even if it's years to come, and click on and comment on it. So what are we gonna do? Hannah, you need this coconut, big one, 7 in number. Yeah, I mean it, 7. Don't get 8, don't get 6. No, it must be 7. So you have to break them one after the other. Just this one is what I'm gonna use for now. Break this now and bring out the water. I mean just the water. Don't add anything to it. Just what I need is the water, because that is what we are gonna work with. Okay, after bringing out the water, what next are we gonna do? Well, I still want to tell you something in case you don't know. In case someone taking overdose or expired drugs and start reacting to it, if you can see this water beside you, just give the person this water. The person will be fine. Yes, you heard me. The same thing with raw milk though, but I prefer this one. I prefer this one. So this one has so many things. So it's spiritually, physically, and otherwise. This coconut water is wow. So after bringing it out, you can see there's no more water in this particular one now. So for your own, you're gonna get 7. Remember? Yeah, 7. Don't get 6. Don't get 8. Just 7 that has water, not dry ones. Okay, you have to sieve it in case of any particles that you don't want to put in your jar. Well, after sieving it, what do we have next? Just the water alone. That's what we have. This is the water. This is the water we're talking about. You have to use this water for your newborn baby. Please, this water is something that is so precious. It's so precious. This is what we need. Yes, you have to use it for the baby. Use it and wash the baby's hair. As in the head. Sorry, I said the baby's head and the face. You can use ordinary water from neck downward. But to see this head, the face, please don't use water. They shouldn't use any form of water or any oil to clean the baby. No, they should use this coconut oil and wash your baby for you. You're gonna do this for a period of 7 days. Some people will be like, the nurse will not accept it. Please tell them ahead of time. It's your child. It's your baby we are talking about, because they will give you list. So include this one as your list and make it ready. Tell them to use oil on other parts of the body, but they should use this for your baby's head and your face. Then you can use the baby's any, be it his or her trouser or shirt or polo or overall, whatever you're gonna, or the cap. I preferably use the baby's cap. Okay, use it and dry it off, one of it, and then spread it to wear him or her the next day. You're gonna continue this for the period of 1 good week. I tell you, by the time you are done doing this, in future you will live to testify what this has done, because nobody born of a woman can tamper with the destiny of this child. In kind of intelligence, oh my goodness, In kind of intelligence, nobody can beat him or her anywhere. You have already produced a genius in your house. You don't need to go to mountain, pray out everything. In fact, God blessed us by giving us these natural things. Just that we don't have information on how to use them. We don't have informations. So I believe you must have gotten something. I believe you must have gotten something wonderful from today's video. Why not share it to other friends? Don't be stingy. Please make sure you give it out to somebody out there. Okay, just click on subscribe button. Bye bye.